Hello, and now a quick forewarning. This video will likely be very boring if you're not a nerd like me. So if you're not a nerd, I suggest you find something better to do with your time. So I decided to write a compression algorithm, and it turns out it's actually pretty good. But it's completely cheating, because what it does is it scans the file and finds the best algorithm for it out of gzip, bzip, and xz. So this is the hexadecimal dump of this directory of example.mxc, which contains both the source file and this readme. As you can see, the first 8 bytes are the length of the header. Now, one thing I could do to make this more efficient, I think I'd only need no more than 4 bytes, because you see, it's only triggering as a 32-bit integer. No way I'd ever need a 64-bit integer for just the header alone. So, maybe I could trim off 4 bytes here. As you can see, it's 48, that's the length of the header, and we have the file, an asterisk, then the size, but the size is written in plain text. The reason is because, so say there is a chance that the byte representation of the size contains an asterisk or a colon. That'd be bad. It would throw off the parser and then everything would crash. So the compromise is to store it as a normal integer. And you may be wondering what this weird binary byte is. This is the compression type. 0 is plain text, which is only common in tiny files or very special binary files. 1 is gzip, 2 is bzip, and 3 is LZMA or xz. And then after this, and look, right at byte 30 as promised, it's all the data, which is compressed. And you can see there's the GE for the gzip header. And if we look for it in the file, it occurs twice. Very suspicious. But, well, that makes sense because there were 2 gzip files. To demonstrate it, I will compress my entire coding folder. So, let's do this. Compress the entire coding folder and put it into example.mxc. Let's go. Right, now it is done, and it's 203 megabytes, so despite the very fat header, as we're going to see, it does still have a substantial benefit. So let's reload this big file. You can see, now it's 54 CD as the size, or 21709 as our 32-bit integer. So yeah, now let's do a decompression. Python max decompress.py. We'll take example.mxc, put it to the out folder here, and we'll decompress. Let's go. Decompressing is a lot faster because it already knows what the algorithm is. And it was done quite quickly, and as you can see, there's my coding folder again. So with that, thank you for watching the demonstration of my compression algorithm, which is completely cheating and plagiarized from every other compression algorithm ever invented. Thank you for watching.